Not everybody wants Medicare at age 65. And the number one question I get is, who do I tell? What form do I fill out? Who do I tell that I don't want it? I'm just going to continue to work. I don't know, a year, 3 years, I don't know. I'm going to work until I don't want to work. That's freedom. I like that thought. And the answer is you don't have to tell anybody. If you are not already drawing Social Security, then you will not be automatically enrolled in Medicare A and B. For you to be enrolled, you have to proactively go socialsecurity.gov and sign up. So as long as you don't sign up, Medicare doesn't start. Now, if you're going to work past age 65, typically you want to enroll in Medicare Part A. Typically it will have no premium, and you can do just that at socialsecurity.gov. Just take A. Now, refer to my videos about health savings accounts and how they conflict. You can't have Medicare Part A, continue to work past 65, and contribute to a health savings account. That is not allowed. But if you don't have a health savings account, if you have a flexible spending account, or you don't have anything, you just want to keep working, you don't have any of those extra perks, you don't have to worry about it. Take Part A. Taking Part A at 65 does speed up the process later when you want Part B, especially since you don't know for sure when you want to retire, and you might just on the fly wake up one day and say, I'm not going to go into work. So having Part A already being assigned your Medicare ID number, that does speed things up for you later. So I want you to go ahead and do it, again, as long as you don't have the conflict with the health savings account. But if you already are drawing Social Security, then you're automatically enrolled in Medicare when you turn 65. And they send you your red, white, and blue Medicare card, and you're like, I don't want this. And I get a lot of people say, I did not ask for this. I do not want this. Well, guess what? This is how the system works. So the fact that you don't understand it is not a reason for them to not start taking the cost of Medicare Part B monthly out of your Social Security check. So you have to read that letter, that Medicare card, and it'll tell you, flip it over, it'll say, if you don't want Medicare, this is how you decline it. You're going to send it back. Take a picture, keep a picture for your records. So just because they sent it to you doesn't mean you have to keep it. A lot of people feel like, oh, well, now I'm stuck paying for Part B and I didn't want it. I'm still working, I have health insurance, I don't want it. You can terminate it. Some people feel, well, if I terminate it, will I ever get it back? Yes. You can get it back later when you retire at any time of year, because people get pigeonholed with these different enrollment periods and like, oh, October's over, January, and I have to do it. No, there's all different types of enrollment periods based on when you are turning 65, based on when you're retiring, leaving your employer group insurance. So don't panic. You're going to continue to work past 65 and you do not want Medicare and you're not on Social Security, there's no need to notify anybody, no forms to fill out. Just keep doing your thing. When you do want to retire, go to our website, themedicarefamily.com. You'll see my face. There'll be a yellow button, schedule an appointment. Schedule an appointment 3 months before you do want to retire, ideally. Sometimes you get laid off and you got to call us tomorrow. And we'll walk you through the process then and what paperwork you will file to prove to the government that you were working, that you don't deserve a Medicare late penalty for not taking Social Security, not taking Medicare at age 65. But again, if you are on Social Security and you're automatically enrolled, then just read that letter when it comes and follow the instructions to decline Medicare. If you have questions, you can email us, hello@themedicarefamily.com. Questions about Medicare only. If you need our help, go to our website, book a free appointment. We're licensed in all 50 states. Our help is free, and we'll be here to help you through the maze that is Medicare. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment. If you have a specific question, always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.